Hello? Is this thing on? I believe so. Oh, I started streaming to YouTube Shorts. I didn't mean to do that today. Oh well. Alright, I guess we're doing that. Guess I'm gonna be grumpy. Did I get both chats set up? No, I did not. No, I did not. Please, please. Please act. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Good morning. Over the past couple days, I haven't been streaming. I've been starting a UObject refactor for the items in my game. Oh, I also played around with some grass as well. I was comparing nanite to LODs when it comes to grass and foliage. Okay, I'm like midway through this refactor. What do I want to do here? Oh, I was trying to get rid of the use function, which I think I may be able to now. Yeah, because equipment is basically empty now. I should maybe just get rid of equipment references now too. Yeah, because now the equip, all that has is the entity on it. Item class. Yeah, so I guess I don't have classes for this. I'm not gonna have classes. Well, I'm not gonna have it at all anymore. That's fine. That's fine. This one I think I can delete. I don't think I use that function at all. Okay, rebuild now as well. I will get to tree chopping soon, I hope. Okay, that looks fine. That looks like a fine refactor right there. I can probably delete this file now, which is crazy. This is like, I guess I'm deleting some of my oldest code now. I love that for me. I love that for me. I guess we'll see if it's used in blueprints. That's gonna be kind of scary. I'm scared. Wait, where is my... Oh, did I... Wait, did I... Uh-oh. I think I closed my chat. I did. Bring that back. Wait, it's not working the same. Where is my... Where are my little view counters? I used to have little view counters. Oh well, problem for a different day. Does it still work here? Okay, let's check. Uh-oh, okay. No, using, oh, the use function. I need to go and replace that, I think, everywhere. Oh boy, I thought that was gonna fail, but it didn't. Oh no, that's actually bad, because now I need to go find everywhere where the use function is used, which, that's a big word. That is a big, or a small word, rather. Big search result. Big search result, small world. Word, I can't speak. Boo, 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 boo. There has to be one in here somewhere, right? It's just that does a use item from inventory. Yeah, I should go through and change all of the blueprints to use the entity structs. Instead of the UObjects. That's ranged ability. Probably don't care about anything there. I think a lot of these can be closed. Inventory. Use item from inventory. There's got to be one in HUD and character panel, right? Here we go. There's one. Okay, so now can I find class members all here? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Welcome in, everyone. Morning. Morning. Doing some game dev today. I'm making an RPG Colony Sim Roguelite with procedural destructible terrain. This is test level. I was testing out some grass here. Let me open up the game world and see what happens. Do I have this working right now? I do. Yeah, so here's my procedural terrain. It's going to be a very large open world procedural terrain, different every time. Bunch of different zones that have different biomes, different features. Procedural points of interest and procedural NPC ran colonies that you can interact with. Here's me. Things are they finished spawning? I think the chunk I'm on still needs grass. Oh, I turned off nanite on the grass. Oh, so it's gonna be very slow. It's gonna be very slow because of that. Venerable, welcome. Good morning. GPU time's still only 10 milliseconds, so it's not terrible. Oh, it's like 12, 13 when I look that direction. What's my nanite visualization? Yeah, I guess only the trees are nanite now. Can I change the runtime value for those? Okay, yeah, that's fine. I mean, I guess I can just right click. Oh yeah, I don't think you can. Oh, those are foliages. Okay, that's why. Hang on, I need the static mesh. Did GPU time get worse? It's about the same, actually. It's about the same. Oh, oops. Yeah, get rid of that. And these are masked. That's why I wanted to do the test. So I think the grass I have in my test level is actually going to be more performant here. But yeah, this is my world. Okay, everything's looking good. Cool. Cool. Oh, I never applied the changes. But they showed up. They showed up as nanite in the thing. Okay, weird. Weird. Okay. Yeah, we need to find this funky wunk here. So now we're gonna use this use item function instead. Put that there, put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. And I guess we're not going to use... We are not going to use the inventory index either. Which I'm okay. Yeah, that's a fine thing. That is fine. Okay, that one is good. We are good there. UI use. Is that the only place the use function was used in Blueprint? Let me look here. Can I look it up this way? My HUD and character panel. Okay, thank you. Perfect. Is there a... What do we have here? From entity, from equipment slot. I guess we just have to we just dynamically get the. Yeah. Okay. We may change that. We'll see. We may change that. Okay, put that there. Put that there. How you doing, Northy Kun? Doing well? Welcome in. Good morning. Okay, let's see here. Now can I equip stuff? Again? No, I can't. Okay, what's happening? Hey, thank you for the jewels, my man. Appreciate your support. We need to go into my, not my item utils. Use item. There we go. Okay, we just got to rebuild. We have to rebuild because I changed things on accident. Okay. The more jewels, thank you, man. Thank you for the schmeckles. Okay, we've rebuilt. I don't even know, what did I just do? I guess you sent me a little gift on YouTube Shorts. I guess you gave me some money in some form. I don't actually know how much, but I appreciate it. Okay, we can close that. Okay, now this is errored now. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Okay, so I need a little function for like is equipment. I have an is weapon function. Equipment item data. Okay, so let's rebuild that now. What subjects do you like besides programming? As in like school subjects? Nothing, just programming. Okay. Now we need to do the is weapon or is equipment here. Item. Do I just have an item? Let's do this. Local variable entity. The item entity. Come on, give me the entity. Where is it? There we go. Okay, so we want that guy in a lot of places. God, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to wire everything back up to. These are like the tool tips and everything. Give me another one of those, I guess. Wait, why am I doing this twice? I don't need to be doing that. Yeah, why was I doing that? Yeah, we have a ton of weapon data. I can't even see what that's doing. There we go. Yeah, the damage per second calculation probably is something that should be in C++. Okay. Equipment again, which is already going to be equipment at that point. What was I fucking doing here, man? Also, just use that. Also, that's already going to be equipment as well. What are we doing with that guy? The noodles are everywhere. The noodles are everywhere. Another as equipment here, which I do think we need here. Set level requirement, we will want that. Yeah, this whole flow could be refactored. I'm not going to worry about it too much right now. It's a side quest. Okay. Okay, so item tooltip is fixed. What else was broken? Character panel. Yeah, oh god, this one's gonna be fucking bad too. Oh no. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. Okay, okay. Let's just change this to return an entity while we're at it, just while we're here. Wait, where did that get used from? Wait, are you not used at all? I thought so.
I knew it! I knew it! That Mulan was a troublemaker from the start!
And we were just using it for an entity anyways, so. Okay, now we can just go straight in there. So I got a lot cleaner. Okay. Why can I not equip things anymore? Use, oh yeah, the use item isn't even getting triggered, huh? Did I put the right one in there? Moxie, that was rude. Use item from inventory. Okay, I have to restart because it's compiling things. That runtime is not good. Okay, we do get there. We do get here. Oh, we're still just calling item use. Oh. Oh. Well, oh. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Use item. Yeah, we do want that. We do want it. Usages were not found. Well, okay, time to delete it, I guess. Time to delete it. We'll make sure, we'll have the compiler tell us whether that's the case or not. This is all prep to get rid of items as UObjects. Those nasty, nasty UObjects. Tricksy, tricksy hobbitses.
Alright then, keep your secrets.
So now, like, basically the state I'm in right now is that these UObjects that previously had some state in them, they're also hierarchical. I used to have an equipment, a my equipment, in between weapon and item. Just deleted that. Weapon is entirely static, has no state. So we need to get rid of that next. It's used in several places though, so yeah. And it's just still carrying a bunch of static functions. And my item, all it has on it is an entity now, which is the next thing to get rid of. But that's like the largest change, basically. So we're just doing little baby steps here. I finally got rid of the last function here. Get item name is fine. I don't get about that. I was thinking about making like type, like wrapper types or something. But I don't know. Just as a way to like provide some functions to the item, to an entity rather. Okay, now we do get here. Okay, yeah, and we equipped it. Unequipping it, though, made it just disappear. Which is not what I want. It's gotta be this resolve into inventory function. Which does not get called at all. Okay, run that back. Yeah, let's just make a function for like is equipped the player. Which is from use equipment. Yeah, why do I need to check the... Why would I need to check the... I guess this is my old flow. I iterate over every single piece of equipment. And I do slot to unequip. I guess that's why. But I can always just get the slot. Right. And I already have equipped gear data here. Wait, equipped item data. Then what is on equipped gear data? Oh, that's the equipment. Right. Okay. So we want to get equipment. I need to get specifically the slot equipped in because that could be different. It could be different. I just want this. Actually, just give me this data. Like, I don't think I want this other function. It might be useful though. It might be useful. If equipped item data and equipped item data equipped to entity. Yeah, that's precisely. It is precisely what I want. It's a much more efficient way to do so. Okay, let's try that. We'll step through it. Unequip into inventory. I hate that I need an outer here, but I guess once we get rid of UObjects, I won't need that. So that's nice. Yeah. I maybe don't want that ensure anymore. Maybe we don't need that. Run live coding. Okay. Unequip into inventory. Okay, everything's looking good. Add to inventory. Okay, let's it still doesn't work. Okay, so add to inventory. Literally the part that I stopped at is the part that doesn't fucking work here. Insert at index slot to unequip into. It was -1. Good item inventory index. Yeah, no, it wouldn't have had an index. So yeah, -1 is what it should have been there. Add to contents. Okay. We have a slot. Handle stackable item insert. Yeah, I mean, we just add it to the contents, so I'm not sure what's happening here. Oh, maybe the UI just isn't updating. I mean, we should be getting here, right? We did broadcast the change. Handle unequipped does nothing. Remove stats from gear. Also, there's no stats yet. No stats. Okay, interesting. It also didn't detach it. also didn't detach it at all. Do we get here? We do at some point, yeah. We do at some point. I don't even know. Do bow attacks work anymore? Where's my guy at here? God, the ghosting is so bad. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, the bow sounds are the axe sounds. It's funny. Okay, so why isn't it being unequipped into my inventory? Why don't I just use equipped gear? Private, welcome. Move this function down. It's a little in the way. Okay, so I'm looking at this. Unequip into inventory. I kind of want to drop the entity suffix on all of my variable names. Once I'm fully switched over, it seems a bit superfluous to call everything a blank entity. You know? It's just taking up space on my screen. Like I can see the type, so I know it is an entity, you know? Yeah, I think we do this. Do a little bit of that there. I actually do need that check. Okay, so we have the unequip into inventory. And then we have resolve, equip, and unequip into inventory. God, this code is a mess. I wrote this so long ago. Oh, I return unequip into inventory. Is that right? I'd be returning there? Oh, I guess I need to look at the deleted equipment. Can I show diff? Yeah. I do return. I do return. Remove from equipment. I mean, we got all the way down there. We got here. And we do, the equipment does get removed properly. Okay, let's go here. I'm gonna rebuild. And I'm gonna check the equipment after this to see if it actually got moved. We should check the inventory as well. Almost ready for another coffee. Almost. Okay, equipment. Of course, it's like a not a great looking thing here. Inventory contents. I see the bow there. I do see the bow there. So is it just that it didn't get updated? Yeah, maybe it's, okay, hang on. Go to the inventory. And then inventory. Get item at entity inventory index. Okay, that is unknown. Yeah, I got a bunch of item slots. So the key... These maps look like garbage, man. Wait, am I putting the entities in there as keys? Is that why this is all fucked up? Is that why this looks so bad? I'm getting the item inventory index. Add to contents. No, I'm adding. I am adding to the contents. God, I'm like, my eyes are watering because I yawned so hard. I'm crying. Cry. Yeah, I don't see why. I guess I think the debug maps just look awful. I can't actually tell what's in there. So yeah, I don't know. I don't actually fucking know what's in there. Let's do this. Let's get the vlogger out. I should be able to see on my character what's in his inventory with that. When activating ability, eat food. Why? Okay, I don't even have the... Okay, yeah, it's not in there. It's not in there. Why the feck? I probably have to rebuild. Yeah, why the feck is it not in here? I mean, we literally got here, so I don't know. I don't know what else I can fucking check here, honestly. Why is this so difficult? Maybe remove from equipment does some shit. Remove stats from gear does nothing. Handle unequipped. Also does nothing, which should call the weapon unequipped. That's why it's not being detached. You my weapon. Handle unequipped. What made you choose C++ over Blueprints? I mean, it's not a one or the other. You can use both. They're both better at different things. I use mostly C++ because I am more comfortable with that, and I find it easier to organize and navigate. And I do a lot of things that are performance intensive, so that's important. A lot better in C++. Okay. The fuck? Do I have to clean rebuild here? That's rather annoying. Why? Why did you get all fucked up? Okay, we gotta clean and rebuild. I'm gonna take the dog out and grab a coffee while that happens then. BRB. Okay, hello. Thank you for your patience. I have more coffee. I hope you do too. I have a bool here. Ensure success there. I guess I can also look at the inventory data here. Success is true. I mean, the key is 0 too. Like, what the fuck is happening here, man? What is a bool? Oh, brother. Boolean. Boolean value, true or false. You're now a programmer. Congratulations. Why doesn't it actually put that in there, though? That just got changed to -1 at some point. I mean, these aren't correct, though. Like, I don't know what this is. The debug info for this map is not there. Learned something new today. Yeah, you're on your way. You are on your way. Update item storage entity. Does that do anything fancy? No. No, not really. Now, contents has Mace of Mediocrity at 0. And then we should get here. Mace of Mediocrity is at 0. And then we get here. It's still at 0. Does the rename cause issues? No, still at 0. Still at 0. It's at 0. Okay, I have a bunch of eat foods as well, which I don't understand why. Apparently that happens when I use the bow. God, there's so much fucking wrong here. What do I want to look at? I guess inventory. Is it the wrong? Is it the wrong inventory? There's no way. It's on the owner entity. What the? Do I have some conflicting entities here or something? Not for the life of me figure out what the hell is happening here. It's a ref. I don't add. I don't think I change the inventory or anything, so using a pointer here should be fine. It's not like the memory has moved. At this point, it is a reference. We don't delete the item by any chance. The rename here is weird. Let's not do a rename and see what happens. Uh, 2097154. Wait, why didn't I reach that? Get item at entity inventory index. The bow is there. I see it. It's right fucking there. It has the right entity ID. It's right fucking there. So wait, are we good now? Was it the rename? We're refreshing again. Okay, interesting. We refreshed again, and now this entity has an inventory index of -1. Something has changed. Something has changed in between unequipping and this happening. Okay, but wood arrow shows up fine. So I don't, dude, the key in here, I don't know what this fucking key is even doing. Okay, we're refreshing again. We are refreshing again. I guess we always refresh inventory after use item from inventory. And then I broadcast, yeah, so I do like refresh several times here. Put a breakpoint there. Well, that's use from inventory. Wait. Oh, because there's still something highlighted in there. But we shouldn't be getting there. Okay. Let's do something like this. Just to make this a little bit simpler to debug here. Not equal to -1. Then we'll do stuff here. Isabella, welcome in. Good morning. In simple speak for me, can you tell me what you are trying to achieve or what isn't working? What isn't working is unequipping things. They don't go back into my inventory. And I just did a bunch of refactors. Like, I've had this system for a long ass time and it's been working fine, but I'm changing some of the underlying data to be more efficient. And in doing so, I seem to somehow have broken, like, unequipping something into my inventory. Even though when I look at it, it does seem to successfully do so. Also, like, let's just not refresh inventory there either. And we compared the code to an older version. I did a massive refactor. I mean, the code is the same as the old. I mean, how do I explain this? That doesn't help. I'll just say that. That doesn't help because I'm trying to do the code in a new way, not the old way. And I have debugged it and I've seen what's happening. There's some spooky action at a distance happening here. What else is happening? Let's I'll put another breakpoint at use equipment or something. Okay, the bow is here. The bow is here in the inventory, and it is being returned. But we're getting here again because the inventory has updated again. Where did that happen from? Because I imagine now is when it's incorrect. Conan, good morning. Yeah, now it's not there. Okay, there's something is added. Something is changing my inventory, and it's on like the inventory data broadcast. So I have a breakpoint there. I'll breakpoint there. I guess we're just gonna breakpoint on every single one of these, and we'll find out. We will find out where it's happening from. Oh god, there's gonna be so many. Trade item, it's not gonna be that. Not gonna be that. Oh, I guess I could just put it here, right? And then that would kind of help everything. Okay, let's try again. Yes, that is the first one. Yes. Remove from inventory at. Use food, use item. Oh. Oh. Oops. Oops, okay. Wow. That's why. I'm using... No wonder all the food icons showed up. I probably should have debugged that one first. I would have found this immediately. I think it was the last thing I did last night before I went to bed. I need to check if this is food. Right now it's using every item as food. Yeah, I didn't finish writing that last night before I got off, and I totally forgot about it. Oopsies. Yeah, so I was trying to eat all of my equipment. And it was working because it would just eat it from my inventory. My guy was just gobbling it up. Didn't give him any health or anything. But yeah, he ate it all right. Yeah, so that's what was removing it from the inventory. What are you doing here? What? Oh, because yeah. Gotta update the header file. Okay. Oopsies. God damn, how long did that fucking take me this morning? Way too fucking long. Use food. Okay, so we're not gonna... No blueprint version there. God, how nice it would be to be able to have struct pointers in blueprints. The world if struct pointers could be used in blueprints. Insert futuristic utopian picture. Once eaten, did it buff him? It put a buff on him, but I don't think the buff did anything. I think it was just an empty effect, essentially. Okay, yeah, now we can get rid of all of these fucking breakpoints here. Get rid of all of them. Okay, equip. Equipping. Okay, now it's not. Now it's not equipping at all, unequipping at all. Oh boy. Love that for me. Okay, so now it's, I think it's just not removing or something. Oh, that one works. Oh, now it works. The hell was that? If the code wasn't finished, why did it turn into eating and not just nothing? Because that's what the code did. The unfinished part was it not checking for food. Not checking that the item is food first. Hi, Moxie. Okay, now it seems to be working. Okay, but food eating is broken because I have no idea what is food and what isn't. All of it just isn't now. And I wrote a little to-do. Where is it? Oh yeah, then there's the use weapon too. Where's my little to-do? There it is. So yeah, I need like I need some stats, some food stats. Remember having seen your stream months back. The game looks way different now and has a lot more added things like inventory items. Those have been there for years. those specific things you've mentioned have been there for years now. The game does look different though. So I could put it in a separate data table. I could put it on the item data row handle. Item data. Resource type, yeah, so if it's a food resource type, we need some stats on the food, which is the food item. And again, I'm in this situation. Oh, did I do the food item data? Yeah, okay, so I have copied those over. And those are all red blueprints, okay. How are you, man? I'm well, thank you for asking. Okay, food util. Okay. Static pool is food. Yes, good. Good. Import everything. Import it all. Why are you angry at me? Why are you angry at me? Oh, I don't think it knows what the brace init list is. F activate ability payload. Oh no, that's F. F targetable. There we go. It just wanted explicitity. Explicitity? U food, not item, utils. Okay. Then we want another U function. Sure, static, F food item data, get food item data, food entity. There we go. And import that, good. And I will use that in blueprints. This is JetBrains' writer. JetBrains is the company, writer is the editor. Okay, so we'll use that in blueprints. Still don't know where I want to add this data, and it will be kind of duplicated, won't it? Where is my, there it is, item data. I guess I can have like a conditional, right? I can do something like, I think you can do stuff like this. Where it's like meta, like something hide. We hide it if it's not equal to that. And the thing is, like, I don't even just want to hide it. I mean, I'll have to explicitly delete it here, so I'll have to be like, if item entity, if item row, item data, resource type equals metal. If it equals food, otherwise. We'll have to like clear it because it could be like, it could still be set. And let's key off of this instead. Food item data. Clear it. This struct keeps getting bigger and I don't like that. but it is what it is. Okay, I think that kind of does it. This is going to need to change though. Let's see if that hide edit condition works. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, edit condition and then edit condition hides. Okay, so yeah, that wouldn't have worked. Okay. Rebuild that. Okay, I need to import that, or we'll see if we can. Can we forward declare it? No. No, we can't. I kind of want to reorganize my folder structure now too. Things are kind of all over the place. Okay. So here I can start wiring things up. So it's like a get food item data for food entity. So we have the food item here, which we will want to change. Where's my activate? Oh, I'm gonna need to change that now too. I do have an instigator entity and a target entity. Would it make sense for would it make sense for someone to make someone else eat food? Like, could the instigator and target be different in an eat food scenario? Like, yeah, you could force feed someone, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, like if you have a doctor If I have a doctor that has to feed someone. I'm new to UE. How do those modules work? What modules? And are they able to be coded in C++? What do you mean by modules? That means something specific in Unreal Engine that I don't think is what you're talking about. A module in Unreal Engine is like a it's like a plugin. But yeah, anyways, I'll have to change that activate ability payload, I think, to take in optional entities and stuff. The system design looking blocks. Oh, these are called blueprints. And yes, these all run either other blueprints or C++ code. But let's promote this to a variable here. So we don't have to we're not gonna re-get it. Stop move velocity. I don't know if I need that because I should be stopping that in the, we'll keep it there just for posterity, but. This is why I hate blueprints though. You have to sit here and tidy everything up, align it, you know. Actually, undo. Oh, no. Wait, is it not? Oh, no, I have to do break. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I hate that break is a whole different thing and you can't just get. I do hate that. I do feel like this would be much easier in C++. Eating, add health per region tick. I think that's all. Are there plugins that you know of that can manage components programmatically? Okay, so once again, what do you mean by components? Because that means something specific in Unreal Engine. If you're new and unfamiliar with what is possible in Unreal Engine, I would encourage you to read the documentation, as you'll start to pick up on what certain terms are and what the capabilities are of things. Blueprint components. So a component in Unreal Engine it's a class that can be attached to an actor. Components are things like scene components, actor components, skeletal mesh components, static mesh components. Are you talking about the individual blueprint nodes? And also, what do you mean by manage programmatically? I did get the eat food buff. I did get the eat food buff. Or did I have that altogether? Oh, I already have that. Am I eating right now? Why do I have the eat food buff? Or is that the hunger buff? That might just be hunger. What are my effects? That's probably just lose food. That's probably just lose food. Let's open up my data here. Which would be item data. Okay. Well, no, these should be food. Your stream ended abruptly. I mean, I just ended stream, I think, because my computer needed to be restarted. Yeah, we should actually be adding that already. Okay, yeah, we should be activating that ability. Okay, so why was I not decrementing? Ah, get item inventory index was none. Okay. Stored in data is null. I think maybe when I add default inventory contents, I don't add that. I mean, whether UE5 has C++ or editor API support for doing blueprint-related workflow programmatically, instead of using the blueprint UI directly. I mean, why would you want to... I don't think you know enough about Unreal Engine right now to ask the proper questions. Because you would never want to do that. Just if you don't want to use blueprints, you don't have to use blueprints. Like if you want to write code, you can just write code. It's not required to use one or the other. You can handle everything in code. And yeah, I think you should probably find some documentation or some tutorials or something like that to kind of learn the ecosystem a little bit better. Okay, so, but we just add directly to the inventory contents here. Default inventory items. Okay, yeah, so I think we need to add some... Create new item. I need to like add... I should probably just call like the add to inventory function here. Or add to contents. Inventory size. I really have to pass the inventory size. Add to inventory. Default contents, inventory contents. What do I want to use here? Add to contents, I think maybe. Probably the best one. F entity, wow. Let's change this to const f entity owner entity. We'll want to use that here, I think. Come on, Ryder, come back to me. Thank you. Inventory contents, inventory size, which I think is just contents.num. Wait, where else do I use this at that I need that? Oh yeah, the size is different. It is different. Yeah. And then just pass inventory data, I suppose. This used it. Do I use that in blueprints? No. Okay. Just give it inventory data. F inventory entity data. Contents. Get the proxy actor for an outer on the owner entity. Yeah, that sounds good. Inventory size. Yeah, I kind of want to change the inventory structure altogether as well. Plot index. Yeah. Get rid of the log. I don't really need that anymore. Okay, recompile. Tell me what's broken. Be a couple places, I think. Owner entity. Yes, of course. Entity just there. Fine. All well and good. All well and good. My good lad. Okay. Easy peasy. And then hopefully this, that should trigger the right stuffs. Does it? Hang on. Yeah, update item storage for entity. Insert at index. Yeah, I think that should do the trick. I need each item entity to have stored in item data, which was not happening. Okay, everything's in there. Okay, I did eat it. Okay. I did decrement the number. Let's see if we get in here now though. Okay. Ah. What is my payload? Nothing. My payload is nothing. Cool. Where is food item? What did I do here in the past? Oh, I was giving the entity and stuff there. Okay. Yeah, we need to put that back. Thought I could get rid of that. We need to put that back for now. I think we will remove that eventually. Is the food utils? Yes, of course. How could I be so foolish? Get item. Do I just have a get item? Yeah, get item for entity. Yeah, that's basically what we want. Are you fucking serious? I can't. Do I really have to downcast this manually? Why wouldn't you be able to do that? Why can't you understand? Because this is a T object pointer? I mean, I'm gonna change that eventually, but whatever. It's kind of stupid. Because of the T object pointer template. Oh, because it's it's seemingly unrelated. Oh no, it's because my item is an incomplete type. That's fucking why. Yeah, that makes way more sense. Yeah. That makes way more sense. Okay. Yeah. Had to import the item. There we go. There we go. Now I'm eating. Animations are fucked up, but I'm eating. I have an eating buff. Good. I don't think I have any data for how much... Okay, let me look at my light mushroom. So what's nice is now I can get rid of these fucking classes altogether. 30, 35, 5. Now I don't need classes for all this shit. 25, 5. A lot less assets to manage here. Sunflower seeds. 35. Okay. Cool. Key. Okay. You know what? Let's change the grass. I want blue grass. Make it pretty. I want blue grass this time. Maybe a little bit too... make the blue a little bit lighter blue there. And then we can maybe go hit it with some purple or hit it with some... Yeah, we'll go more green here. Yeah, that's sexy. A little bit of teal here. I like that. I like that. That's cool. Vibe. The vibe has been adjusted. That's a sick T-pose, bro. Oh my god, I'm adding so many... I'm adding so many mana regen buffs. Maybe let me look at that real quick. What did I change for that to have happened? I don't know if it's just the UI fucking up or if it's I'm actually adding that many. A lot of cost effectives there. Yeah, a lot of wait for mana regens as well. I should alphabetize that list. Yeah, so that's all messed up. That's a different, that's a problem for a different day, but yeah. Okay, but items are working. They are working. There's still more I need to do, but I think we're at kind of like a stable place where I want to commit. Do I want to do the use weapon here? Well, surely I don't want to... Am I making a game? Yes. The use weapon. Yeah, I think just cut this out. Cut it out. Root from stem, or whatever they say. The equipment utils handles that. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and commit this because we're basically fully refactored, almost. We're so close to being able to get rid of the UObjects. I'm going full Doom mode on this bitch. We're just using structs for everything. This commit is 92 files large. Refactor state out of my item. And my weapon. Delete my equipment. And push. What's it called and where can I get it? It's called My Project and you can get it in 20 years. Okay, so one of the next things I think to do here is, one, I want to change this to a UObject and not inherit from my item. That's the next change we're going to do here. And then everywhere that's broken. Oh yeah, you don't have an entity. We should probably do that first. Never mind. Okay, we need to get rid of the item entity. So everywhere, like I need to basically not refer to the item pointer at all. And I think a good way to do that is to just like, I need to just get rid of the blueprintability of the item object. And there's going to be a fucking lot. There's going to be a fucking lot of these. And I think I can just delete like the white mushroom and stuff like that. I think I can just delete these. Look at our reference viewer here. Oh, is it actually still used in the item data table? Oh yeah, the class and stuff. Okay, so we don't want that anymore. Which is nice. Okay. Try that again. Can I refresh here? It doesn't. It does not understand. Save. Refresh. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I think we can delete all of these then. Goodbye. Can I actually delete this folder now? No, it's one of those that doesn't want to get deleted. Cool, that's fine. How long did it take you to grow your beard? 20 years also. What's your Twitch? It is in my profile. Yeah, I don't know if I need this guy. We'll leave it there for now. How do I look up all of the my items? Is that gonna is Ryder gonna show me all of that? I don't think so. It's just gonna show me all of the. It's just gonna show me all of the C++ places. Can I delete food item? Maybe we can delete that next. Yeah, let's delete food item. We can delete that. Goodbye. Goodbye, food item. How do I want to go about this? Because it's used fucking ever. Do I just start hacking away? Like, look at all these usages of the my item UObject. I mean, once I start replacing these and I rebuild into blueprints, it'll show me where all it's broken into blueprints. So do I do that, or do I try to be tactical about it? Do I just start blasting? And I just want to start blasting. Yeah, let's start fucking blasting. Yeah, inventory utils is going to be a big one. Da 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 do. Da do do. You know, fuck it, just do that. Okay. Oh god, it's so many places. It's so broken. Create new item. F entity. Is this working? No. Return new item. Just going to return the entity there. Back to inventory utils. Item. Item is entity now. Item is entity now. Thank you for the follow, my man. Get item index, item entity data. Get item at index. Yeah, so now this returns an entity. Yeah, I just kind of want to get the returns, I suppose. Otherwise, they need to be refs. Okay, so now everywhere we need to change to F entity ref. Okay. Feel a lot of ouchies here. So now we don't, it's so nice because we don't need to like look up extra data here. We just return item entity. Need to dereference it there. Get item at index. Yeah, that's good. Item, new outer. I guess we don't need that anymore because they're not going to be UObjects anymore. So why do I need an outer UObject? Whoa. Whoa. And why are you angry at me? Why are you angry? Oh, a lot of these are going to be const, yeah. Yeah. Should basically all be const. New outer, yeah, don't want that anymore. Wonderful. Looking good. Need a const there, item. ToString is same item type. Should I do? No, this is blueprintable, right? Yeah, so we have to do. And I think we can do. No, we want those to be populated, so we'll do const ref. Okay, anywhere this is called. There's only one. Okay, never mind. That was going to be a more impactful refactor there, but I guess not. Stackable item insets. Stack the items. Stack them. Stack them hard. I do item pointer entity. Replace that with just item. Get item at index. No reference there. No reference there, so it is not needed. And what are we doing here? Oh, entity ref there. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Don't need that anymore. Split item. Returning the new entity item. Get outer. Duplicate object. Okay, so here's where I need to actually... Yeah, so am I gonna get the item? Yeah, I think I still just get the item. Can I do null pointer outer? Or I guess I need to get existing item data. Wait. Existing item data. There we go. Item. Get outer. And why are you mad? Duplicate. Oh yeah, because you're not the item. Yeah. Okay. Dot get. Okay. That's what we have to do there for now. For nowsies. Return the entity. Okay, back to inventory utils. Okay. Okay. Come here, Moxie. Okay. What do we got here? Yeah. Moxie, come here. Come here. Come here. Why do we not return? I see. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh, that was the outer. Okay, yeah. I changed it. Okay, there we go. To item in area. Wait, what am I doing here? What was I doing here? Let me look at the diff here. Why does that make sense now? Because it was a pointer. Oh, because we returned the added new item at the end, which will now be added new item. Is that sufficient? me read here. So added. Yeah, we're just getting a ref. We're just getting the entity to the new potential new item. Let's do constref. We should never be getting. Yeah, we should never not be doing constref for entity. And then items to store, move entire item. Okay, so we just return the same entity ID. Okay, yeah, I think that's fine. Oh, though this one doesn't really want to be a item. Wait, why doesn't that like that? Just returns a copy. But it can't be const? Why is that the case? Come back to that one here in a second. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's because... Yeah, I guess I don't give a shit if that's the actual value or not. Item entity. Item. Yeah, that doesn't really make sense, does it? I was gonna start coding and stuff, but after seeing this, I'm definitely gonna have to. Go do it. More coding, less talking. Yeah, let's go ahead and rebuild. Let's see where all the boo-boos are here. Think about it. Think about what? Okay. Stored items, yes. We should like that to be entities. Be a lot of just changing shit to the word entity here today. Contained items, we want that to be entity. Area stored items. Yeah, we're gonna just change that. Should be entity now too. Item to store. Entity. Entity. Okay. Item to store, another one. Another one. Okay, show me new errors. I'm gonna go potty while that happens. I'm on the app now. Oh shit. He's hacking into the mainframe. Or item. Or entity. Out item. An F entity ref. God, this is everything's gonna be so much better. It's gonna be redonk. Do I really have to fully include that here? I don't believe you. We're gonna try that, see how it goes. Stored items. Items to store. Both of ye. From henceforth shan't be, shall. Henceforth herefore unto be. F entities. Why are you mad? Oh, the return value, yeah. Ah, I see you. I see you. Yes, of course. But of course, see, look how much easier this is about to get, right? I used to have to like look up the item data just to like return it as a U object. But then I just get to do this now. Like everything's so much more straightforward. Nasty, and dude, it's gonna be so nice. Like the garbage collection that would have had to run to like clean up all the old items and stuff. Like I feel like it's gonna be a lot better now. Because I'm essentially with the ECS and these structs, I'm managing the memory myself, rather than relying on UObject garbage collection. Store item in area. Was that meant to be an output parameter? No, it wasn't. Drop item. Oh, you drop these nuts. How about that, huh? And what was nice is I added a little, I added a Boolean operator here. So I can actually just, it's going to make the refactor way easier. I can essentially check it as if it's a pointer with that, you know? So like this right here, this worked before because it was a pointer. And now it works still. Because of the overridden operator, which is very nice. Yo. And a good yo to you, fine sir. Okay, what else is broken here? What else is broken here? Loot, undeclared identifier. Loot is there. Why are you complaining about it? Have I ever played Guild Wars 2? Way back in the day, for a little bit. Never really grabbed my attention, I must say. I don't like weapon swapping type combat, usually. It's updating. Okay, thanks for the update. Unsubscribe. Appreciate the update, but don't need it. The equip entity. Yeah, so we just passed that right through here. Oh, and I don't need the proxy actor anymore. Beautiful. Oh, we gotta deref that too, yeah. Nice try, Guild Wars 2 marketing team. They almost got me. They did. They're sneaky. They are with these guerrilla marketing tactics going into popular streamers, YouTube Shorts chats. Welcome in, Adder. How's it going, brother? Adder, I have a question for you. Once I get the editor booted up, if that ever happens, which it may not today. But I was playing around with grass. As you do. And it's like because of the contact shadows, the contact shadow length, you know, if I'm looking into the shadow side of the grass, it's like 10 times darker, you know? So I was wondering what you do for that, if anything. Because it's like when I look in the direction that the light is going, then I see like the beauty of the grass, right? But when I look into the dark side of the moon, you know, it's not exactly the same. But if I don't use the contact shadows, then it looks kind of weird. It looks like the grass is like, doesn't belong on the ground. Infinite bots DMing people talking about their favorite game. Yeah, just randomly. Like you'll be doing something completely different. Like you'll just be doing some spreadsheet analysis. Like, hey, have you played game? Well, it's updating. This is going to be a problem, isn't it? No, we can just do this. We're good. Okay. Contact shadows can be like that. Sometimes I turn it off. Sometimes it's broken. Sometimes it's broken ambient on the object. I don't know that I have any ambient on it. Shadow just reveals the ambient intensity of an object. Okay, so turn down ambient inclusion. We're very inclusive here. I don't know that I have any on there. Ambient will be skylight intensity. Multiplied against ambient occlusion. Okay, I'll have to check the ambient occlusion. We're knee deep here though. Okay, so I do need the item name there, probably. So we can make combo things creating a darker than normal shadow on the object, and when contact... So they don't cast shadows at all, I will say that, but you just mean other things causing shadows on them. And when contact shadows hit, it leaves only the broken ambient intensity behind. If that's broken, it'll read back in the shadow. Read is black in the shadow. For sure, shadows are a whole thing. Not to derail what you're doing now. Well, I would just hop over and show you real quick. But alas, I cannot. I think I can skip that entirely now. Oh no, I do need the item data there for quantity. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and rebuild. Let's get a new list of errors here. We can just initialize that. There. We use item data anywhere else here. No, we can get rid of that. We don't actually even need the item data here. Adding all of the two-string stuff to my entity and the name was a good move as well. Item to drop. Okay, once again. Are you calling UObjects nasty? Is kinky way or what? I suppose if structs really get your jimmies going, I suppose it could be kinky. Moxie, that's rude. Once again, another place where we will no longer need item data. It's very nice. I'm doing well, Pavel. Welcome in. What are you saying to me here? Oh, yeah, we wouldn't want that. Okay. A wholesome YouTube chat? Every once in a while. That's on YouTube horizontal, though. That's why. The classic horizontal. Okay. Get instance item. And just return there, I suppose. Just return there. And then we have this one, basically. So I need to get the item name. which now where is this used at? None. Okay, so let's go ahead and make that static. We're gonna move this. Why are you mad? Const, that's why. That's why you're mad. Okay, world item ISMC. String plus equals U item utils get item name. And no one was any the wiser. How long are you planning to be live today? Maybe another 30 or so minutes, 30, 40 minutes. We'll see. Kind of depends on where I get to a good stopping point. It's the vertical chat that's wild. Yeah, YouTube Shorts. Vector, hello, welcome. Okay, so maybe we can actually, maybe we will hop into the editor today. It's gonna be broken though, that's the thing. Every blueprint is gonna be like fucking broken. Let's check how many my item references we have here now. Not that many left, actually. Not that many left. Do you like being live? No, I hate it. That's why I do it so much. Yeah, and I, you know, as a person, I think you should just do things that you hate. I think that's the proper way to live. How does one live if they are not live? Hatred really drives passion. It does, yeah. It's a great motivator too. That's how you get clicks. That's how you get views. It's just hatred and depression. So I'm just kind of like indexing on that part of human psychology. You know, really just exploiting people's emotions is what I'm all about, including my own. Yeah, we'll see if this actually starts. I've been playing around with grass a little bit, Adder. Playing in grass. Okay. Yeah, so here's my... So you'll notice if I look that way, it's like dark. I guess it doesn't change that much with these ones. Skylight. Let me get the... And then let me just go... I'll just go no color as well. So let's get the normal textures. Yeah, you can see it a lot better there. Ambient occlusion is just 1. If I put that at 0, does that make any difference? Oh, that's even worse. That is way worse. Okay, back to 1. Let me go back and read your chat. Skylight ambient is sometimes multiplied against ambient occlusion. Occlusion tent. Can I change that? No. Not gonna let me change that. It'll be systematic ambient. I don't know what that means. What does it mean? Put a lighting only, okay. Lighting only. Detail lighting. Which is your favorite platform? As in like Twitch versus YouTube? Might be obvious. Zoom in on the shadows. You were more about how dark it gets. Yeah, I mean, like, I guess with this, it's not as bad. With some of these, it was, with some of the settings I was configuring, it had gotten pretty dark. Yeah, like if I don't fuck with the brightness, it gets kind of dark. I forget what the hell was I doing to like... I think it was when I was just using raw color and I wasn't using any of the... Wait, where did my fucking color go? Damn you. Go red. See, I don't know, like you look over here and it's like a nice red. And it's like it basically black or something over there. I don't know. Let me do this. Let's not use the grass texture because I was playing around with that. Okay. Epic's example foliage has a missive rather than SSR. SSR. A subtle foliage will have a subtle missive added to it. But that's wild. the wind shadow is like changing the color pretty substantially there. That's weird. Why is that changing to green? Just a touch to fill out the shadow contract and make the grass less noisy. Interesting, okay. Let's make it maybe a nice little Westfall kind of vibe here. Bro, the fucking wind. What is wind? Why are you like setting the color? Is it because of that? Is that my fault? That's fun. Oh, subsurface scattering. Okay. Wind reflection color amount. Yeah, this didn't used to be applying like a specific color to it though. Like you see that? That's not intentional. That is not intentional. Why is it applying color? I've been fucking with this so much I don't remember what all my other settings were. Oh god, how bad is this even gonna work? Yeah, why is that actually applying color now? It used to just apply like blackness. You know, just make it a little bit darker. A lot of things are broken here. But I don't know, I just felt like it was drastic when I looked like that direction. Oh, that's the wrong color amount. That is not what I wanted. RGB. I just need one channel. It's still fucking green. And then you can't even see it like with this. Do I need to saturate it? What on earth? And if I don't use that, I guess it's gonna be like more green now. Oh god, it looks fucking horrible now. I mean, I think I still see it applying green. I can't fucking see it at all. The color amount. Brightness is 1. Isn't it easier to make the grass move and set the motion to all the grass? I mean, that's not like a one or the other kind of thing. They're both for separate things, but I don't think you don't want to make the grass move in the entire world, right? That would be too much WPO. Especially with nanite. No random color. No, I'm just fucking with grass. Okay, now it's just white. Why don't I do a switch there? Normal, raw color, question mark. Okay, so here is the texture. And then give me the wind reflection color amount. See, that looks fine. I hate that those reset. Oh, now is it fine? Maybe it was just the yellow colors that it wasn't fine on? I don't even know if I can see the color amount now. Wait, what the fuck changed? I didn't change anything. Why is it working there? All I did was add that switch. What? I mean, yeah, that's what I want, basically. But yeah, it just looks so dark over here now. Oh well. just seems kind of drastic. And if I add a little into emissive, like, do I just take this and then like divide by like some number? Emissive power. I am dividing by 0, or maybe I should probably multiply instead. Now let's actually divide that by 1,000 so I have more control over it, over the slider. Where did my inst go? Give me that. Where is my emissive power? Oh, that's a... So 77 would be, or would 750? Oh no, 77 or 75 would be 0.75. But see, now you can kind of see that this is changing the color of it now. So that's just one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's all coming together.
And so for the wind stuff, do you like fade that out? Like, do you not have that? Because it does look a little weird when it goes right under the player and you don't see like the grass move any differently, because it just kind of makes it look like clouds a little bit. Yeah, I think emissive looks kind of good. We'll go 70, 75. Oh, that's 375. Oops. Y'all see the new Harry Potter teaser? Now I need to do the stuff where like the grass moves out of the way when you walk through it, you know? Need to get that prismatiscape going. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look how bad that ghosting is. Do you guys see that on the stream? It's so bad. Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't know, it feels too soon. Like, give it another 5-10 years, and then it's like, yeah, we're ready for another one. But it's like a lot of those characters could be played by the same fucking actors. Like Hagrid, he could have just played himself again, you know? You spend more time fixing ghosting, man. Maybe just take TSR out of the options and then only use like the DLSS and whatever the AMD equivalent is. Because don't those not have ghosting side effects? And you know what? Do you know what? Do this. I guess that's just a static measure. Okay. No, that's not what I want. Oh, he passed away? Oh, I didn't even fucking know that. Well, Jesus Christ, I feel like an asshole now. Jesus Christ, I feel like an asshole now. Okay. Well, never mind. The power of nanite. It just works. Turn the weight like way fucking down there. Oh, I have to use integers. Okay. That's kind of annoying. I don't have textures for these yet. God, everything has such bad ghosting. Actually, I only know that because I had the same thought. Okay. We're both assholes. No, I'm kidding. I know you don't mean to make me feel like an asshole. Oh, can I execute on the GPU? Oh, yeah? Nanite go burr. Okay, my draw frame is... Oh, are these don't have nanite turned on? Yeah, they do. Oh boy, look at it all. Look at all that. So when using nanite, do you still cull grass that's really far away to help prevent overdraw? So wait, draw is 22 milliseconds, but GPU time is 10 milliseconds. You have your grass drop out at a certain distance? Okay. How do you... Is there a... there should still be a cull on here, I suppose. Right. Okay. Yeah, cull Just do like 30k. No, that might be... We won't cull the trees. Is that even colony over there? Okay, that called some, yeah. Okay, there we go. Hey, there's still some over there. Yeah, I know, I guess... Usually the draw is at 0 ms though for me. I don't know why that is. That didn't seem to affect my GPU time at all. An adder, do you guys have like, are you guys using masked materials with nanite at all? So I just had my artist make me some fully geode grass. Like this grass is full geometry, same with the trees. The placeholder trees and grass I was using were still using masked materials, so I wanted to do a performance test. Like, so yeah, I couldn't get grass a fraction of that distance out there at the same performance. I mean, the overdraw is still... I don't think that actually ended up changing the overdraw at all. What's your grass view distance, Adder? I'm sure it's different in different places. Give me an example. Give me an example. 20K, can we go... The thing is, like, when you're, like, on a vista looking out, that's when you want it to be, like, really far, you know? $30K units for vistas. 30K schmeckles. Yeah, I don't really notice a difference in the overdraw down here. Well, it's not fully... Can you fully rerun, please? Fully rerun. Here we go. Designed a world terrain of a bunch of smaller valleys and ruts that hide long view distance. Yeah, the old tricks. The old tricks. That did, I think I got like a millisecond back on GPU time. But I do hate here. Here's what we'll do. What is the biggest one? I'm gonna have one of them be longer than the other ones. They're like thick boy. Probably 2. Yeah, let's do grass 2 is going to be longer than the other ones. Grass 2 is going to be like 30K. Grass 1 will do 20. There, then it'll get sparser as we go. Really have flat terrain and long sidelines, yeah. But you have the benefit of hand placing everything, so you can control all that. I don't. Like, I have to deal with the inevitable possibility that, yeah, there's going to be a very long view shot, and there's nothing I can fucking do about it because of the procedural generation. As you cull out mesh grass, you cull in... Oh, I forgot to turn on... Ooh, this will be a nice test. Wait, how do I turn on the... I have forgotten. Voxelize. Hell yeah. The voxel foliage. Have you played around with that at all, Adder? Or are you guys on an older version? Well, I have none now. I have none. That actually, my GPU time is lower by like half a millisecond, maybe. Oh my god, it's like a full millisecond. It's kind of hovering around. Let's make, I want to make the voxel. Number of rays traced per voxel to sample the surface. 64 seems like a fucking lot. Around 562. Lots of environment system based on 5.3. God, you got like a Frankenstein version, huh? Voxel level. I need to like read about this. What do the settings mean? Some of these settings are still in development, don't actually work as intended yet. So you're not going to explain to me what any of them do. Okay. I thought there was like some distance you could set, right? I thought there was some stuck with systems that were around. Yeah. You guys are getting close to release though, right? Array backup, voxel level. Just changing the numbers here to see what happens. Oh, you actually have to apply the changes. 130. I want to see it turn into a voxel, you know? I want to change number of rays, 1. Oh dear, it didn't like that. It did not like that. Gameplay trailer next Wednesday. Oh shit, you guys. You heard it here first. Breaking news. Breaking news. Yeah, we're gonna get some beta invites. I've been playing No Rest for the Wicked, so I've got a little bit of Dark Souls-y practice. Shh, okay, shh. Everyone whisper from here on out. Okay? So Adder doesn't get in trouble. Let me try to find some more about these voxel settings here. Unreal Engine, Nanite Foliage, voxel settings. I played with it at some point. I was able to actually see the voxel, like the distance and stuff. What are the actual settings now? Of course, this is so abstracted, you can't even tell what it's doing. Voxel size. I wanted to make them larger. I don't know if what I'm doing would actually num raise 1. Does that do anything? Also, hit me with a stat unit too. My GPU time is so much lower now. From that, well, I guess it was just from that angle. See, I don't know if it's like changing from voxel to regular. And if they could just have comments as to what these did. Suppose it's not worth fucking with. No tooltips, no. Hot off the press feature. And did it not save my... Why isn't my pine trees? There we go. Make the pine trees do the thing. You know what? Let's do this as well. We'll go 0, 0, and then that way we only generate 1. I only have to fuck with the settings on 1. See if it changes anything here. Do I need to rebuild? That did seem, so I changed the num raise. That did seem to, we're at about 8.5678 ish GPU time. And I guess I have to regenerate. Okay, so now we're at like 9-ish with 64 number of rays. Well, no, we're maybe half a millisecond higher. It's not that much. Turn voxel level up to 1. I think that lowered GPU time. I think. What is the, what's the command to show the little GPU graph? Yeah, I wanted the little line graph, though. There's one to show a little line graph. Unreal Engine GPU line graph command. Unit graph. There we go. Okay. Now I have to figure out which color is which here, which I have no idea. Oh, it shows the colors over here. Perfect. Okay, GPU time is yellow. Yellow is what we're looking at here. Let's change voxel level up to 10. Rerun. Like that didn't change a whole lot. But like going to 0. It's definitely changing my mesh. It's changing the mesh in the viewport, but like not... Voxel level 10,000. Also, change this from executing on the GPU just so I know that this isn't affecting it. Okay, changing back down to voxel level 0. Voxel level 1. Also num raise 32. Okay, it's regenerating. I'm not noticing any substantial GPU diff here. Ray backup. Just like tick that up to like 20,000. What does that do? Don't know if I need to regenerate these or not, or what. Nothing is really substantially changing this. Separable. Turning separable on. Grass is nanite, yeah. Voxel opacity. Okay, regenerate that. Oh, okay. So it's just that just makes it invisible. Voxel level back to 0. So does voxel level 0 mean it's not doing anything then? Number of rays traced per voxel to sample the surface. The 64 seems like so fucking much. Yeah, the wind color makes it change color. The voxel opacity is weird. Because that makes it seem like all of these should be voxels or something, because it's gonna like make them invisible, or no? Why did 0 rays? It was set to 64. Maybe I should be going higher? 128. Bro, it is so hard to tell if this is fucking doing anything. And voxelize hair strands. Bro. You can just voxelize it. Don't know what that was for. I'm not sure what you're expecting to see still. I'm trying to see if nanite voxelized foliage makes a difference. I can't. I was trying to change the settings such that I could actually see the voxels on screen. Like change the distance or something, or just see a difference in performance. And I don't think I can. I mean, you just cut off the world PO though, right? I don't, because like anything that's going to be a voxel is already far enough to where you're already not going to have world position offset running on it, right? Isn't the voxelized, isn't the LOD bias source, question mark? It sounds like voxel stuff's trying to add that support back. I don't know if I've heard that. I mean, they have a completely different way of doing the movement now. Or they're doing animating. Like if you look at this, they're doing animation with shaders, basically. Nanite skinning is what they call it. Works better than world position offset for foliage, wind, and movement. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know what LOD bias. Wait, do I need to be using ray tracing for this? Is that why? Oh well, yeah, I gotta hop off too. Let's see if I can find someone to send you guys over to. I haven't gotten to raid Churrochomp. We're gonna raid them. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. I'm gonna go to work now. Send you guys over to the dragon known as Churrochomp, who's working in Unreal Engine as well. Turn-based action combat. Take it easy, everyone. Bye-bye.